Here with us on Times Now, let's get you the latest from Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh. Excavation work is underway in Sambhal. In the latest, what we are learning is that a 150-year-old step well has been found. Take a look at this report filed by my colleague Pradeep Datta.
Right now, I'm here inside the step well that was discovered by excavation team 2 days back while they were digging this area. During their process, they were able to discover this step well that is spread over 400 square meters. Let me show you. This step well has got 3 stories. First story, there is marble is being used, and here you can see the concrete is being used. The importance and significance of this step well is that this was constructed by forefathers of King of Bellary. And let me show you, look at this. It looks like a tunnel-like structure, but basically these are the compartments where actually the soldiers used to hide, and they used to use this step well as their transit point and keep check of the movement of invaders here in this area. Let me go further deep inside. See, it looks like a tunnel-like structure, but what the authorities are saying that this is not basically the tunnel. Maybe they are further digging. It looks like a tunnel-like structure. And here you can see the deeper we go, and these are basically the compartments where the soldiers used to hide and keep check over the movement of invaders. And it has got the 3 stories. The first 2 stories, you can see the marble is there, and then here the brickwork is being done. And the excavation is still continuing. The digging process is still continuing here in this area. Let me show you further things. And see, this basically, if you talk about this step well, this construction work is in semicircular form. It's in semicircular form, and still the digging process is going on. अभी तक क्या-क्या दिखा है इसमें?
इसमें भैया अभी ये कोठी दिखा रहे हैं, पुराने जमाने की कोठी है, 3 मंजिला नीचे है, अभी 28 फुट और नीचे है, अभी 6 फुट खुद चुकी है. अभी पता नहीं क्या निकले, अभी तो फिलहाल ये मट्टी और रोड़ा निकल रहा है, जिसमें हाथ चलाने में बहुत परेशानी आ रही है.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ क्या-क्या है अभी?
अभी एक कोठी है, घूमती भी कोठी है, आप देख लीजिए, आपको दिख रहा है, पुराना कोठी है.
Manually the work is being conducted. Yesterday the JCB machines were used, but now they are trying to manually take out this soil from this area so that they can further dig deeper and move towards the well here in this area. You can see large number of workers since morning they are working. For the last 3 days, the work here is going on. But now they are not using JCB machine because usage of the JCB machine can destroy the structure. So they are very careful about that. They are trying to preserve this structure. They are trying to protect this structure. They are trying to reclaim and restore Hindu past so that they can promote Sanatan Sanskriti. And by promoting Sanatan Sanskriti, they feel that once again the Sambhal will be able to reclaim its historical past, and the people who had fled Sambhal area in 1978 because of worst ever communal violence, they'll once again come out to this place. And here you can see large number of people already present here. You can see large number of them, mostly youngsters. They are excited, they're enthusiastic to know what actually has been found in this area. Since yesterday, if you look at this lane, large number of people from different parts of Sambhal and different parts of Uttar Pradesh are coming over to this place to have a view of the excavation work that is right now going on here in this area. Look at this site. This is the step well, said to be 250-year-old, spread in the area of 400 square meters. It has got 3 stories, and in 2 stories you can see the marble is being used. 3rd story, the bricks are being used, and some people believe that there is possibility of tunnel, but so far they haven't found any tunnel here. They are trying to look for that, but they have to dig further 2.5 feet so that they can reach towards well.